Take a section of a given plant material using a sharp blade. Section should be thin and complete. Transfer those sections into a petri dish containing water. Select the thin and complete section using brush. Transfer into a slide. Add saffron stain to it. Cover the material with cover slip. Ensure there should not any air bubble on slide. Observe it under compound microscope.